Have you been struggling with false signals in choppy markets or missing strong trends because your moving averages can't keep up? Imagine getting whipsawed in ranges or lagging on explosive moves, watching profits slip away with rigid, non-adaptive indicators. The Hurst Exponent Adaptive Filter, or HEAF, solves this, using fractal dimension analysis to detect market regimes and dynamically adjust filters in real time. What sets HEAF apart is its Hurst exponent classification of markets as trending, mean-reverting, or random, auto-tuning MA lengths, shortening for quick range responses and lengthening for smooth trends. Backed by fractal math and backtesting on stocks, forex, and crypto, it evolves with market dynamics. But that's not all. Regime detection uses Hurst values for trending to color code your MA and alert shifts, signaling strategy switches instantly. Dynamic MA adjustment scales lengths via min-max settings and sensitivity power, responding faster in mean-reverting markets to cut noise and outpace fixed averages. Plus, adaptive bands with ATR create volatility channels that widen in random regimes and tighten in trends, with an info panel giving tips like follow trends or trade ranges, a unique tool rivals lack. See this mean-reverting S&P 500 range? Traditional MAs caused false crossovers, but HEAF shortened lengths, tightened bands, and alerted a shift, enabling profitable dip buys and rally sells, dodging whipsaws. Upgrade today with HEF, where Hurst adaptation meets regime-aware trading. Stop burning on static tools and start dominating trends and ranges confidently. Click the description link to get HEF on PhenLabs.com, add it to TradingView, and transform your results. Like, subscribe, and comment if you're ready to adapt.